Hello मेरे दोस्तों, welcome back to our channel Tasty Chillies. Today we are making one of India's popular street food, Hakka Noodles. Without further ado, let's go to my kitchen and let's make Hakka Noodles. We are going to boil our noodles first. So in a pan, add water, a teaspoon of oil, then add the noodles when it's boiling and add a pinch of salt. Just an FYI, I'm using egg noodles for this recipe, which is readily available in any grocery store. Quick tip, if you're boiling the noodles, make sure that you don't overboil it because it's going to get soggy when you add it to the vegetables later. We boiled the noodles for about 3 minutes. Just check a strand of noodles to make sure it's halfway cooked or al dente. When you drain your noodles, make sure that you actually rinse it with cold water after. This process actually stops the noodles from being overcooked. We're going to cut our vegetables for our Hakka noodles. We're going to take half a cabbage and cut it into strips. We'll take half a cup of green beans and make julienne type cut. Take 1 carrot and cut it into julienne. For this recipe, you need about 4 cloves of garlic and cut it into strips. We'll take about a quarter of red and yellow capsicum or bell pepper and cut it into julienne as well. Cut half an onion into strips. We need 2 to 3 green onions or scallions and chop them. A couple of green chilies chopped. Now to cook our noodles, add 2 tablespoons of oil on medium heat pan. Add onions, garlic, stir them a little bit. We'll add the green chilies. We're gonna add our vegetables, the green beans and the carrots. Add our red and yellow bell pepper or capsicum. Saute it for a bit. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix well. Add the cabbage and saute for about 3 to 4 minutes. Add 1/4 teaspoon of vinegar. Let's add the green onions. Now it's time to add the boiled noodles. Mix it together. To add a little bit of color and a little bit of flavor, we're adding 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. Add 1 teaspoon of salt or salt to taste. To garnish it, let's add our mung bean sprout. Mix well and serve. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. If you have any comment or questions, please leave them down below in the comment section. And I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.